What is Affiliate? Affiliate is an analytics tool built specifically for affiliate marketers. While the platform has a lot of unique features, there are two main benefits worth noting: data aggregation, improved reporting. Affiliate connects to all of your affiliate accounts and provides reporting in a convenient dashboard. This solves the problem of having to log into dozens of affiliate accounts to track your commissions. Affiliate also provides tools for better reporting. The software helps answer questions like: which pages on your site generate the most revenue? Which offers are performing best? Which placements on your site are performing best? You can quickly discover the RPM, center, and revenue at the page level. You can also track the EPC of specific offers. All of these data points can be analyzed over time, allowing affiliates to optimize and increase earnings. We'll dive deeper into the features later in the review, but for now, let's determine who Affiliate is ideal for and how it compares to some alternative options. Full disclosure: we get a small affiliate fee if you click the link below to get Affiliate. WHO is Affiliate best for? Affiliate is best for affiliate marketers and niche website builders with established affiliate marketing businesses, or those of us that have a hard time staying organized. What does this mean? Affiliate is ideal for online marketers who run niche, authority websites, monetize with affiliate offers, generate $1,000 plus per month, are members of multiple affiliate networks, programs, have 50 plus articles on their websites. Let's dive deeper into this. First off, if you monetize your sites with banner ads, you don't need this tool. Second, if you are still in the early stages of building your affiliate business, you may not need this tool yet. While Affiliate is affordably priced, smaller site owners can, and should, garner most of the available insights manually. For example, if you have a site with less than 50 articles promoting offers across a couple of big networks, you should be able to track your results manually. Or if you are always unorganized like me, get this tool now. The real value of Affiliate comes in when you are tracking dozens, or hundreds, of affiliate offers across hundreds of posts, on one or multiple websites. Why? For example, we run sites where I have 1,000 plus posts and the bulk of my focus is on the most lucrative offers. I often neglect offers that are only generating a few sales per month, even though they may represent excellent growth opportunities. Imagine if you could extract an extra $100 per month in revenue from 10 posts on your sites. That's an extra $1,000 a month. Apply that to 100 posts and you are making an extra $10,000 per month. We'll get deeper into these numbers later in the review, but first, let's take a look at how Affiliate compares to some of the alternative options. How does Affiliate compare to other software? Many digital marketers are SaaS junkies. They are always looking for a new tool to add to their tech stack. After going through this process one too many times, you start thinking about the practicality of adding another tool to your tech stack. Do you really need this new tool? Are you actually going to use it? Is this the right tool to achieve your goal? After being in the digital marketing industry for almost a decade, I'm always hesitant to add new software to my tech stack. When I do add new software, I want to make sure it is the right software. Testing new software is costly and time-consuming, so I want to make sure I get it right. So, if you are comparing Affiliate to other competing tools, how do you know if it is right for you? I already discussed the ideal user of Affiliate, so now I'll share a bit of my personal experience that led me to use Affiliate. Affiliate has two main benefits: reporting and tracking. When considering competing tools, you need to think about which benefits are most important to you. For example, tools like Affluent offer great reporting, but the tracking component leaves a lot to be desired. Tools like AnyTrack offer great tracking, but the tracking is geared more towards paid advertisers. The closest competitor to Affiliate is Tracknomics, an enterprise-level software that offers a similar suite of features. While I'm still in the early stages of adding Affilimate tracking to my websites, I am already a fan of the platform for a few main reasons. It is simple to use, no fluff features or overcomplications. It is fast. It is affordable. It is effective. With that said, let's start taking a look at some of the key features. Try Affilimate free for 15 days.